The Indian Met Department has forecast that Kerala is likely to get heavy to very heavy rainfall in the coming days. In the wake of this, various districts were placed under red, orange, and yellow alerts. A red alert has been issued in Kannur and Kasaragod on July 11th, Sunday. Orange alerts in northern districts are as follows. Friday, Idukki. Saturday, Idukki, Malappuram, Kozhikode and Kannur. Sunday, Malappuram, Kozhikode and Wayanad. And Monday, Kannur. Districts which will be under yellow alert and the respective days are as follows. Friday, Thiruvananthapuram, Kollam, Pathanamthitta, Alappuzha, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod. Saturday, Pathanamthitta, Kottayam, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Wayanad and Kasaragod. Sunday, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur and Palakkad. Monday, Kottayam, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Malappuram, Wayanad and Kasaragod. Tuesday, Pathanamthitta, Kottayam, Idukki, Ernakulam, Thrissur, Palakkad, Malappuram, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur and Kasaragod. Fishermen are advised not to go into the seas along Kerala-Karnataka-Lakshadweep coasts. People residing in low-lying areas, river banks and hilly areas have been advised to remain alert as there are chances for landslides. News Desk, Kaumudi English.